Hi! Welcome to AgriEuro's YouTube channel. First, we will explain the product's main features. Then we will walk you through the assembly steps, making it easier for you to assemble the product on your own. Please note that AgriEuro is the only e-commerce allowing a full supply of spare parts for the entire life of your product. We offer full support for both repairs and service thanks to a Maxi repair shop on site or through one of our 400 partner service centers scattered throughout Europe. Now, let's explore our product key features. The BullMach LYMPHIA 50 petrol water pump is a versatile and powerful device designed to meet various irrigation and water pumping needs. The BullMach LYMPHIA 50 uses gasoline as fuel and operates with an overhead valve system. This type of fuel system improves engine efficiency and reduces emissions. The engine is lubricated by oil bath, ensuring long life and smooth operation. Additionally, it is equipped with automatic decompression, which facilitates engine starting. The pump has a fuel tank capacity of 3.6 liters, allowing for long periods of operation without frequent refueling. The oil tank capacity is 0.6 liters, ensuring adequate and constant engine lubrication. These features make the BullMach LYMPHIA 50 an ideal water pump for those seeking a reliable and durable product for their irrigation or water pumping needs. Its robust construction ensures it can withstand demanding environments. Now for the product assembly guide. Visit our official website AgriEuro and check out our offers. Click on the link in the description below to learn more.